How to open Incognito tab on Google Chrome. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Play Store application on your device and search for Google Chrome just to make sure you have an updated version of the Google Chrome application. So let's search for Google Chrome over here, and as we search for it, we'll be able to see the option of update if we have an update available, but as you can see, there's no option of update over here, which means we have the latest version of the Google Chrome application. So let's tap on open and it will lead us to a new page of the Google Chrome application. So simply make sure that you're logged into your account and you have the stable Wi-Fi connection. Now if you want to open the Incognito tab on Google Chrome, simply tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. Here you can see the option of new Incognito tab, so you can simply select on it and get into the Incognito tab option. If you want to get out, you can tap on new tab and you'll be able to be out of Incognito tab as well. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.